how can we measure the radius of the earth? You want to measure the radius of the earth. For this, observe the figure. Consider 21st March or 23rd September. On these days, sun straight ray falls on equator. Consider two places, say A Ahmedabad and J northern place, but they both lie on same longitude. If you observe the shadow of this rod, we can put rod on terrace like that, and we will measure. Focus here. On terrace, we put certain length of the rod, and we measure the shortest shadow on local 12 noon. This is the rod, this is the shortest shadow. So we can measure this shadow, and we have this length. So we can find this angle. In figure, this is the rod. This one is the rod. This one is the shadow. This one is the shadow. This is another rod on another place, but they both on the same longitude. So this is the shadow. This is the length of the rod. So we can measure this angle using geometry. We can measure this angle. This angle is slightly greater, say theta 2, and this angle is slightly smaller, say theta 1. So we have this angle theta 2 minus theta 1. This one. Theta is theta 2 minus theta 1. We cannot measure the whole circumference, but we can measure the distance between two certain places. We can measure, but we can't measure that whole length. So, performing physically, we can measure this distance using the length, minor arc length formula. Length of arc AJ is what? The pi re theta degree upon 180. In our case, theta is theta 2 minus theta 1. Say this length we have measured physically. Suppose we have measured the distance between the two places, here A and J, situated on the same longitude. So this is the known parameter. Pi is also known. Theta we have measured by measuring the length of the rod. Two rods, 180, pi re theta degree upon 180. By subtracting re, we have L into 180 by pi into theta degree. This is the radius of the earth. That is, we have measured the earth. Stop.